Okay, welcome to 1.5. Let's round out the first module and get on to more exciting stuff. But firstly, let's have a look at your account settings and preferences. So once again, we're here on the Twitter homepage. We are signed in. This time, however, I'm coming over to the top right-hand side and clicking on this gear icon. These are your settings. So click it, get this drop-down box, come down to the settings tab and just click that. So this is where you can set all your preferences and all your settings to suit your needs. There are a couple of things that I'll suggest, a couple of settings that I'll suggest that you keep or that you opt in for in order to optimize your Twitter account for growth. Otherwise, it's just to suit your needs and your preferences. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty self-explanatory. I'll give you a quick run through. Again, what do I say again? Give you a quick run through. As you can see on the left, the account tab is the default tab that is open. Here you can change your username, your handle, your email address, language, time zone, change your country. Simply to change the setting, simply click the arrows, choose what you want, and then click Save Changes, and they'll save to Twitter. So this is security and privacy, the second tab on the left. This is, again, your personal preference. How secure do you want your account when you log in? How do you want to be able to reset your password? The privacy setting. This is where I'm going to suggest one thing. I suggest that this tweet privacy remains unchecked. This is because you want as many people to be able to see your account as possible and as many people to be able to follow you and interact as possible without you having to approve these individually, because you want to grow as quickly as possible. You don't want to be having to manually approve follows and manually approve retweets. All the others, it's as you want. Gonna come over here, change your password here. Obviously, mobile. You can attach your mobile account number to your Twitter. You can tweet via text, and you can get updates via text if you do that. Email notifications is your preferences. What do you want Twitter to email you for? If someone mentions you in a tweet, do you want them to tell you by email or not? Your Twitter profile, this is editable, as you can see up here. You can edit this from your profile, which is the Me tab in the top left. It's probably a better way to do it because you can see it actually as it's displayed to other people. We're going to concentrate on optimizing our profile in module 3, where we're going to make it look professional, be aesthetically pleasing, and show up in relevant Twitter searches. So I'm going to skip through this tab right now. Design will be the same. I'm going to cover that in module 3. Apps. So these are just the apps that you have given access to your account for. I have a few of them because I use a few programs to help me manage my account. You can simply revoke access. I'm going to go through Buffer in module 6. You can simply revoke access at any time, so they no longer have access to the details of your account. And widgets. Widgets are, you've probably seen them before. You can create a widget. They are the tweet updates you see on some websites. So if I create a new widget here, if you have a website and you want to put your tweets maybe in the sidebar, maybe the main content, something like this you've probably seen before. These are my tweets. So the way you do it is you put your settings in here, create the widget by clicking Create Widget, and it'll give you the code to put into your website. Pretty straightforward. Just copy and paste that into your WordPress or into your raw HTML, and it will show on your website. So that is settings. Once again, it's going to be coming down to personal preference. As long as you keep your account privacy unchecked, so you are a public profile. I think that there are no hard and fast rules that will either hinder your growth or help you grow. It's all based on your personal preferences.